Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to be walking through how to get traffic to your Shopify store. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. You can run paid social media ad campaigns. You can use Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Pinterest ads, Google ads. Engage in conversion on social media. Get friends and family to share. Proactively engage on Twitter. Post your store to Reddit. Drive excitement with contests and giveaways. Offer time-sensitive discounts. Reach new audience with influencer marketing. Write a blog post featuring influencers and their advice. Reach out the bloggers and praise. Send free samples to Instagram influencer. Attract customers with content marketing. Write blogs to provide information or solve problems. Produce podcasts to reach new audiences. Use video to educate or entertain. So if you follow this process, you can get more traffic to your online store. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.